If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA. I am here with a new swap for the month of October. So all of the information that I'm going to mention here in this video will be in the link in the description box. It will lead you to my website where I will type out everything, things that I've missed, things that I've said incorrectly in this video will be over there. So be sure to check that out before signing up. And if you're interested in participating in this swap, leave a comment below, but you must have crafty videos already uploaded on your YouTube channel within the last 3 months. You must not have flaked or been late in the previous swap, and you must live in the United States or have a United States address for mailing. So that's it. If you follow all of those rules and you want to participate, then leave a comment down below. So this is the 2020 treat / gift box and note card swap. I've hosted this swap twice. One in, I think, 2015, one in 2017. So it's about that time again. And I love this swap. It's a little bit different from the other two that I hosted. The other ones are, I will have them down below, at least the starter video, and you can follow along the trail from there. But it's a gift packaging swap. And that was different requirements as far as height and length and blah, 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 all of that. And I think it was a tag that was added. But for this one, since it's approaching the holiday season and you may want to give like little treats for here and there, but you don't want an entire gift box, it's just going to be treat box or gift box. So it doesn't have a size requirement. I just don't want it to be itty bitty like that. No, nothing. You have to be able to put, you know, some chocolates in it, some candy, a handful of candy in it or something like that. This is a great opportunity to use the SVG files that you've been hoarding and or those dies, those box dies, those lace box dies that are also gorgeous, but they're kind of small. This is the perfect opportunity to use those. Try to be creative and do something, you know, a little different and decorate it differently, or just try to be creative. Just don't send a box, just a plain old box with a flower on it. So use those creative dies that you have and let's see what you got in your stash. So without further ado, I will tell you what is required, like the specifics. But again, check the link in the description box for everything. This is how I'm packaging. You must have it in pretty packaging as with all of my swaps. You want to make sure you send something that you will want to receive, and I think this is so adorable. So I'll show you what's in there and I'll show you the result as well. So one of the requirements is when you're making your swap to do a video of the end results or putting it together video in case it's complicated, there's different folds or something. So when people go to your channel and they see what you've sent, they can see the end result of what the box should look like when it's all put together. Of course, you're going to have to mail it flat. Can't mail it in the padded envelope and, you know, it's not going to work. So you will be in groups of 4, so you have to make and send 3. But you want to send an end result. So the end result could be a video on your YouTube channel of you putting it together. It can be instructions that you've typed out and put inside your swap packaging, or it could be a photo that you've included, a printout of the photo of the completed box, and you included it in here. So the recipient will know what the end result should look like. For your note card, it has to be a 3x3 note card with an envelope. You just need 1 sentiment and 1 embellishment on it. And for your treat or gift box, it could be any theme. Just be mindful of the theme. So don't do a Halloween theme. It'll be past by the time everybody gets it, and it's really specific to that date. They only can use it at that time. You know, so don't do anything like that. But just be mindful of, you know, no St. Patrick's Day or anything like that. Just be open, general, but it could be anything. You could do shabby, vintage, clean and simple, whatever you want to do. Birthday, you know, that's always a common one, or whatever. But just be mindful of the recipient so they can be able to use it without having to have it sit there and collect dust. And I think that's all I'm going to mention in this video. Everything else will be down below. So this is how I package mine. I have a topper that I've added just a ton of embellishments to, and I put my package in upside down so the recipient can reuse this if they wanted to. So really cute topper up here. There's a little butterfly crepe paper and a bow, another flower, some trim, and some flowers tucked in behind there. And of course, your packaging must have your YouTube address, YouTube name on it, and the title of the swap. So this is how I did mine, so the recipient can reuse this bag. I just added some pop dots to this plastic. It won't stick very well, but it's enough for it to be shipped. So on here, I just have Scrap the World's 2020 treat gift box and note card swap, hosted and created by me. So the recipient will have to take this off because I've covered up the back so that they know to take this off and read it, and they know where it's from. But you have to add your name and stuff to the packaging wherever you do it, so I can know who you are when I do the reveal videos. So this is how I have some shaker bits in there. So super cute packaging. And I can fit 3 of these in that padded envelope, because if it can't fit in the padded envelope, you know you have to pay $18. You have to pay an additional $10 in addition to your swap. So that's why I wanted to make sure I can put them in the envelope when I share. So this is a sticker. So all of my, I should have put some powder behind here, but all of my sequins are underneath this sticker. But anyway, so this is how my swap will come, and they could reuse this box if they'd like. It's not part of my swap, but they could reuse the packaging. They could reuse this box because I don't have anything else on it with my information. And I made this box out of 120-pound weight cardstock. I did a video on this cardstock that I found that is awesome. I will put that down below in the description box. I actually found a heavyweight 110 and 120 that I love, and this box is sturdy. So I made this little pizza box, and I cut out some ends so that the recipient can know, you know, to pull it open. And then I have a little sticker here. It says, "Thanks for swapping, Scrap the World." And I got those from Green Tea Designs Co. I'll put her link down below. She made me a bunch of them. So I just have some tissue paper, just a pretty presentation. And then that opens up, and my swap is in here. Believe it or not, it's in there. So let me show you the end result, then I'll show you what's in this box. So this is my treat box. It's so cute. I love it. It's so stinking cute. Oh, I love it. So this, let me do a quick measurement so you can see. This is probably the smallest that I want you to go. It is 4.5 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide and about 2 inches deep. So, yep, that's about that. And see, in just the palm of my hand, that's a pretty nice size box. I can put some Ghirardellis in there. I can put some chocolates, those little balls, whatever. I can put a few things in here. So yeah, you can put quite a few things in here. So I just think this is so stinking cute. And I use the Mente papers Forever Young, the 6x6 and the 12x12, I think. Nope, just the 6x6. Oh, 12x12 to cover the box. So on this box, I have some eyelash trim. I've covered the whole box in the paper collection. I just think it's so cute. And obviously, it's a birthday themed box. So this is good if you have like a quick little coworker gift you want to put on their desk, or neighbor or friend or teacher. Well, not teacher because we don't go anywhere, but just a quick little box. So I have some pom-pom trim underneath. I made this crepe paper little banner type, forget what it's called, just a crepe paper little stitched thing. I have this cute little ribbon flower here, a puffy heart, and then a sentiment here that says, "It's your day." So just really cute, decorated, really easy. And then on the inside, I just tied this in just a bow, not even a knot. A knot is in the back. And then I tied it in a bow, not even, like I said, not a knot. And that opens up. And on the inside, I have already ready some shredded, some of these cute little balls in here. Although I added smaller ones to the box so I can make it fit. And then I also have some tissue paper. So just a complete gift box set is just what I'm looking for. So I think that turned out absolutely adorable. So now I can finish what's inside the box. So I had that wrapped up, and here's my 3x3 note card and envelope. It says, "Happy birthday to you," and it's a shaker. I have to include 1 sentiment and 1 embellishment, but my embellishments are the sequin mix, and then it's just wrapped in tulle, and I think it's so cute. And then I have my 3x3 envelope on there. And so everything that you need to create my little box is the eyelash trim already included. Of course, I have the little glitter coordinating balls that are in here. And I have the puffy heart. I have the shredded, which looks like I just decorated the box with it, but it's the shredded that goes inside the box. Haha, clever. I have some trim, which is enough to go around the front and the back of the box in case they want it, but I have the little pom-pom trim there. And then I have tissue paper that I folded over in there. And my sentiment, I put it on some plastic paper so that the sticker won't be ruined, and they can just peel that off and there's a sticker underneath. So that's sentiment. Sentiments may be different. That says make a wish. This said it's your day. So I snuck a little large ball in there, so I guess I can put some larger ones in there. And then I have all of my paper pieces that fit on top of the box. I have it just wrapped in a little belly band and tucked in here, so it's already all cut out for them. And then the box, I just folded it. It's not the way that it's supposed to be folded, obviously, but I folded on a perforated mark so it can fit inside my box. And then here is the little pleated crepe paper trim that I made for the box. And they can even use the tissue paper if they like. This sticker is pretty much removable if you be careful with it. So that's my swap, guys. I hope you do check out the swap. I hope you will sign up. Again, there will be just a side note, when you see the comments down below, some people are just commenting to say great swap. Some people don't qualify because they are out of the United States, or they flaked, or they don't have any crafty videos uploaded. So when you see, like, 20 comments down there, you're like, oh, dang it, it must be full. Still leave a comment. It may not be. And also, I always need angels, backup angels. So I don't want to participate in every swap because it's just a lot of work for me to do the hosting and the swapping. I just don't want to do that sometimes. So I always need backup angels. So don't hesitate to leave a comment just in case. And if you don't, I'll say swap is full, but I'll put you down as an angel. So you guys be sure to like this video. I would appreciate it. It helps me out so very much. And check the link in the description box for more information. All right, see you soon. Bye.